Hi everybody, welcome to the Cigrit. I'm the Cigrit's wife, Donna, and today I'm going to be making homemade banana bread with Cannabutter. So let's get started. Okay, first you're going to need half a cup of Cannabutter. I made this yesterday, and to get it back to liquid form, you just put it into, like, have it in a dish like this, and then have it in a bigger pot with some water just to warm up like that. You need 1¼ cups of white sugar, 1½ cups of mashed banana, 2 eggs, ½ cup of buttermilk, a teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of salt, and 2½ cups of flour. And I think that's everything. Oh, and your pan. I've already greased and floured it, so that's good to go. So the first thing, oh, and you need, there's the vanilla. It's kind of hiding in there. Hang on a second. Okay, so first we're going to, you need to sift your ingredients, the dry ones. I like to do this now because I just like to get things done quicker, and if it's done now, then you can do the next step right away. This takes a little bit of, and if here's a quick fact, or a quick not a fact, a quick what's it called? Ed?
Tip.
Yes, if a recipe calls for buttermilk and you don't have any buttermilk, but you do have some vinegar or some lemon juice, you
mean vinegar and lemon juice?
No, or.
Okay.
Or lemon juice. You put 1 tablespoon of that. And so, like, mine was ½ cup, so I put in 1 tablespoon of vinegar, just white vinegar. Then you fill up to your ½ cup line and you let it sit there for 5 minutes, and there's your buttermilk. Simple, simple, simple. Okay, we're just about done here. Remember, if there's any, like, little pebbles of things, you don't put them in. Like, there's gonna be some of that. You can give it a little more shakes. Okay, that's good enough. Okay, so, and we need a mixer, a beater. So in our bowl, this is why I say you only need 2 bowls, a big one and the little one. So in here is our Cannabutter. Can you grab me that red spatula, please? I'll hold this. I gotta get all the stuff out. Okay, so there is...
You don't want to waste any of that, Donna. Liquid gold.
Okay. And then next is what do they want me to do? Oh, the sugar. It's a lot of sugar. Okay, and then we're going to mix this. Can you smell the...
I could smell it.
Okay, so once that's mixed, God, that stinks. Okay. Okay, and then we do our eggs, but I was a little bit dumb today and didn't realize it's one at a time, so that's one. Then we're gonna mix. Okay. And we're gonna put in that. We're gonna give it another mix. Okay. Looks like it looks good. It doesn't smell very good right now. Okay. Now we're going to put in, I think it's everything else. Yes. So we put in our bananas, our vanilla, and our buttermilk. And then we're going to mix.
You're hitting me with that shit. What the hell, Donna? I don't want to wear it.
Hang on. Maybe we'll just mix like this, and then we'll get, because this is like very liquidy until we get that in. Okay. You know, some people put cinnamon in this.
I do not know.
Yeah, the recipe said that, and I was like, no, I'm not putting cinnamon in it. Okay, so what I like to do is just little bits at a time, because you don't want to be like stirring hard. Or until like it soaks up. See how it's nicely soaking up the, that's not so liquidy anymore. Do you see that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And then we're gonna put in a little bit more. This really, can you still smell it?
I wasn't able to smell it at all. I don't know what you're smelling.
The THC? Did
No.
you not smell that?
No.
Huh.
I think it's because you're short and your face is closer to the bowl.
Okay, and then we're gonna put the rest of this in. This is how quick this is. Hang on, I gotta rinse my hand. Okay. Just nice and slow. You don't want to get it all like upset. It's like a tornado. It's slowly coming in before it picks up the trees. Remember, I'll do this now, to scrape down your sides. Okay, and there's our banana bread. Now, if you don't have a big pan like this, and you only have the smaller little ones that you can get like at the dollar store or whatever, they'll make 2 of those if you'd like, if that's all you have. I think that's what they were talking about. I don't know. This seems like a lot to go in here. Hey? Maybe not. Maybe it'll just be a smell deep in there.
I don't want to smell deep in there, Donna.
Okay. And this is going to go on the littler pans. Well, I don't need to tell you that unless you need to know. But if you're using a pan like this, it's about 70 minutes at 350 degree oven. And if you notice that if you if you notice that it's browning too quick, like say maybe you're halfway through or something, right? And you're like, fuck, it's really getting brown, but it's still 30 minutes away. You just need to cover it with some tin foil. Okay, so I know you can hit it like this, but I don't think there's any air pockets in there. And okay, so look, it looks like banana bread. It smells like banana bread made with wheat.
Smells like can of banana bread.
Yes, that's what it smells like, can of banana. Okay, so next, this is how easy it is. You can go about your day. 350, we're going to put this into the oven. Right in the middle. We're going to come over here. We'll do our 70 minutes. Hey, you know what? Check it at 60 if you want, but maybe that's maybe, I don't know. Anyways, I'm going to tidy up here, and then when our canana can of banana bread is finished baking, I'll take you along and show you how mine turned out. Then you have something to go by. Okay, so I'll see you guys when this is done. Eddy. Okay, so our bread is done. It looks like that. You could really smell the weed. Can you smell?
No. I smell banana bread.
If you go in closely, go close and smell. Do you smell it?
Nope.
Okay, well I smell it. So mine only was in for 65 minutes. I timed it, started going at 60, and I'm not going to be eating this tonight. I'm going to be eating this tomorrow because it's always better the next day.
You'll probably try a piece.
No. No.
I know you.
No, I have to make a show. I'm not sure if I'm up for that. Anyways. So you let this, actually, you don't let it do anything. You know what is really bad? I had that lollipop and I am lazy as fuck right now. Okay, so.
Oh yeah, we forgot to mention that. Donna ate.
Well, they've seen it on the, well, if they watch that.
Well, yeah, but not everybody watches all the videos, Donna. So for those of you that didn't know, Donna over here has been smoking the joints, and she also had a THC lollipop, a medicated lollipop with 125 milligrams of THC.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's why she feels lazy.
So you want to let it just sit in there for a little bit, and then you're gonna take it out of here because you want it to cool. A metal rack is good, but if you don't have a metal rack, then just put it on a plate with a piece of parchment paper. You could do that because it won't stick to that, because sometimes, you know, the hotness and whatever. But then always wrap it in tin foil, because that's the best way to wrap banana bread, in tin foil, because it just tastes better. So anyways, that's how you make
Can of banana bread.
Can of banana bread. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. I think that's everything.
If you check out the next video.
Oh yeah, if you check out the next video, I don't know what's happening.
Well, in the next video, you're obviously going to be trying some of that.
Well, what if I...
Aren't you?
That video might not be till tomorrow.
Whatever.
Well,
Tonight or tomorrow, whenever you decide.
There will be a video. I will try the can of banana bread.
Yeah.
Okay. Anything left? Just any words you want to get in?
Nope.
Okay. So that's everything. So that's it. That's all. Bye.